What's up, guys? Oh, yes, the volume is working. All right, guys, what's up? My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader at NewAgeWallStreet.com. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Still trying to figure out my what screen I'm on real quick here, guys. I do apologize. Okay, there we go. All right, cool. We got a few people in here. What's up, guys? I apologize. I am late. Nevertheless, I'm here. We are going to get started. We're all going to have a good time. We will not. Sadly, we will not have horrible relationship advice tonight because my girlfriend is here. She'll kill me. She's not even paying attention right now, but but welcome, guys. Like I said, my name is Cruz. And housekeeping stuff, guys. If you guys could leave me a like and follow, if you guys have been following the channel for quite a while, if you guys get any type of value out of what we're doing and everything, I definitely appreciate it. Like I said, I apologize. I'm late. I don't have really any type of housekeeping stuff or anything as of right now, guys. The only thing is that we kind of moved away from having a monthly membership to just a lifetime membership at $299, which is a steal. Like, if you could find me another, better value in options trading or just trading in general of that, dude, let me know, because that is the best value that you're going to go ahead and get. Probably you're going to be able to find, where you're able to learn how to trade small caps, you're able to trade big caps, you're able to trade options, you're able to learn different types of strategies between the two and whatnot. So I have experience in all of those, and I'm happy to go ahead and give that to you if you are a member. So I thought it was fair, for you to just put the upfront cost and then just be a member forever instead of having to pay, deal with, the monthly memberships. And it was hard for me to manage monthly memberships and things like that. So let's just go ahead and do away with that. And we'll just have those lifetime memberships going forward. All right. Let me see here. Trying to look at where my stream is. Oh, did I just take it off? Oh, 1 second, guys. I apologize. I think I just took it off, dude. All right. So, anyways, let me go ahead and try to get it here. All right, guys. So we'll go ahead and jump right in. Unless you guys got any types of questions or anything like that, I'm happy to go ahead and answer any type of questions you guys have as far as trading, any type of theory within trading, technical analysis. That's what I'm here for. And don't feel any type of way like, it's a stupid question or a beginner question. I can guarantee you that there's people that, just don't know that they need to know that information. And once you ask that, they're like, oh, I wish I would have asked, or, I had that same question or what have you as well. So if you have a question, please make sure that you do ask it. No one is going to flame you for asking a question or anything. All right. If you guys don't have anything, I'm just going to get into some tickers and stuff for this week here, guys. Let me see here. All right, so we'll go ahead and just start with the futures here, guys. Looking at the ES right now, a little bit gap down off of that supply for that we hit on Friday, and kind of to be expected. And we put in a lot of work on Thursday and then Friday, so kind of to be expected if we do get kind of like a grindy day on Monday. It's understandable. I would hope that we get a huge bullish day and then continue making our way up, but that may not be what's going to happen. So we may have a little bit of a chop day, maybe even come down a little bit, revalidate some areas. This 4100 area, 4410, excuse me, area would be really nice. And then for us to continue going up. But here holistically, if we're looking at like the bigger time frame, and what I was saying is that here on the ES as of right now, we are gap down right now. So we opened a little spike up, came down. We're testing this pivot, and we are a little bit of popped up, but this doesn't really necessarily tell us that much as far as sentiment and what to expect for tomorrow as of right now. So we will have to see the way that it looks like when we wake up tomorrow morning, to be 100% honest. All right. You guys, there's a chat here on the right hand side, maybe down below for you if you're on your phone or what have you. Please use it. Like, ask questions. Put tickers. If you guys have tickers that you want me to analyze, I could go over those too. All right. So, with that being said, what I'm kind of looking at here and what I pointed out in my room is this inverse head and shoulders that we have right here on the ES, and I pointed it out more in the SPY. I have it outlined right here. So you can see we have head, shoulder, shoulder. This was our neckline area right here, the 441, and then right here is the bigger supply at 445. So for 44, 44, 45 on the ES, if that's the way you're looking at it. But now we've pretty much passed that here, and like I said, we may come back down and validate these areas as support now, and then continue going further up. But the goal being for us to get back up here to this 449, 450 area. Okay. We have quite a bit of earnings this week. If you guys were not aware of that, these are the earnings that we have for this week. Obviously, beta, tech stocks is the ones that we usually look for. So Netflix on Tuesday. I probably won't play any Netflix or anything on Tuesday. If you look at the earnings whisper, they're pricing in a 7% move. I think 6.4%. Usually it moves 7% is what it was. Then we also have Tesla on Wednesday. So may not play. The options contracts are going to be very expensive leading up to these, and the premium may not move as well because of the open interest that the implied volatility that is put into those contracts. Okay. Then the next one we have here is going to be Snapchat. So Snapchat I'm definitely going to be looking at. And then I thought there was another one. I thought someone said Amazon, but that might not be till next week. Did you look at that? Amazon, yeah. No, so it may be next week. So Snapchat though, this was one that I was pretty pumped about for it to get back to this 80 area, but it's still holding this 74, 75. You can see these big bottom wicks on this weekly chart. Anytime it dips down, there's definitely buyers that are waiting for that buy up, and you can see right here where this wants to break out of this range right here, where you could put your line at this about 78, 80 or so, and then our next point is 80, and then all time high. So I'll be looking at that. Yeah, Amazon, Google next week. Yeah, I believe so. Microsoft as well, I believe. Or did Microsoft already present? I think Microsoft is next week too. Nice to see you, Barry. Nice to see you guys. I wish I could see everyone's screen name and everything. If you just tell me hi, let me know you're here if you're in the chat, man. See who's here. Don't be a creeper. But yeah, within this range, this consolidation, this compression that's going sideways here on the bigger chart, right? So you can see where we're starting to signal compression on this weekly. We're starting to get this curl up. So once we start curling above the 78, that's going to be the entry there. What's up? What's up? Nice to see you guys. So Snapchat, leading up to earnings, Tesla, you guys know, was a freight train on Friday. We'll see how this looks here in pre-market. So if this is gapped up over 850, maybe 860, 865, so it's just way far extended. I would expect us to, to kind of pull back a little bit, but who knows? It's very hyped right now. Everyone's talking about it, but everyone is on the same side of this trade. So what I think may happen is that, we get something in the earnings that someone wasn't expecting, and we come back all the way down to 800 or something like that. So absolutely, dude. So this is something that maybe the day after earnings, which I believe is going to be Thursday, we might catch a fade on this. Chongo, what's up? Nice to see you, dude. So we'll keep this on watch. It kind of depends on earnings and how it's going to play out. And then so that was Snapchat. We also did as well. We did Tesla, and then Netflix. Netflix is a little bit harder, guys. With this, the way that it's been moving, I wanted to get to 650. It did this really nice breakout, right? So we had this really nice flag kind of pennant pattern right here, and then it kind of falsely broke up right here, and we're still within this range now. So same thing, just waiting for earnings to drop, because now we have a set resistance up here, probably about 650. So we'll have to see the way that goes. All right, bueno. I on Twitter, guys, if you guys are following me on Twitter, I appreciate you if you go and just give me some love on some of the call outs and tweets and stuff. I give this value for free to everyone, as far as some trade ideas. One of them was Home Depot from, I believe, last weekend, right? Oh, let's address this real quick. So I got Zeke here studying this evening. Last week, what was the name of the ticker, bro? UGI? URI. There was some troll guy in here telling me that I need to buy URI, that it was going to go up to what, 369 or something? Dude, this thing did not get anything close to 369. So it got to 359, but not 369. So there he is. Look, he's right here, bro. There you are, bro. Yeah. It did not get to 369. I do not owe you any tacos, bro. Did you say 359 or 369? Oh, see, they have it on the sticky note, dude. I made sure. I'm gonna get you. My address is on the website, bro. You owe me some tacos. It did not get to 360. We talked, and I looked at this every day. This move, though, over the last 2 days from Thursday into Friday was very nice. Obviously, the way it gapped up and did this, but it gave back half that chart. So, absolutely, bro. I just want to razz you a little bit about it, but appreciate you. All right. So other than that, I am playing coin right now. I am pretty deep in coin right now. This pattern right here is very nice. I see some of my other friends that I respect on Twitter calling this out as well, especially with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's at 62 right now, um, over 60,000 again. If this will refresh. So right here, Bitcoin at 62,214, and it's just ripping right now, guys. So with all the crypto stuff going, I really like this is my IPO pattern that I like. So you IPO, come down, find a base, start that accumulation process, and I get a little bit of a higher low. I'm in from 255 right here. We already at 280. So I'm hoping for a gap up over 280 start tomorrow because that would put us above that. Yeah, Bitcoin, people are calling to like 125 by the end of the year. That's a stretch, dude. 100K is definitely around the corner. So 100K is definitely around the corner pretty quickly on Bitcoin, especially with it being the tail end of the year when everything starts running pretty bullish on it. I really wish that I would have just took commons and held them until they're 400. That would have been awesome. But I have some contracts on these right now. So 275s and then 280s also I have. So I may need to roll those over on Monday. Cool. All right. So that is one of them that I'm keeping track of. I put on my Twitter, guys. Hopefully what I'm looking for, because it is extended off the last 2 days, a dip here to the 270 area would be absolutely nice, and then continue going further up. So, if we gap up tomorrow morning as well, great. That's fine. But I just wanted a place to be able to go ahead and add to it. And then CCI. So this is or CI, excuse me. Yes, Cigna. So this one is very nice as well. You guys know I love my compression plays, right? So this is right here, putting in that compression off of the 200 level. So if you look at it right here on this daily, this is looking pretty good right here. You have your compression, you have your cross to the upside, and you have a very well defined breakout point of this 207. So got kind of smacked down here on Friday. So, but it did put in a higher low. I would like to start seeing a little bit more pressure on here. So I did put this line. I want to put an alert to it right here. I'll put an alert to that. Once it breaks right here. Oh, come on, you piece of crap. That's not what I want to do. All right. So whenever it crosses right here, I'll get an alert to be able to get in. And then for the goal would be for it to break the target of this 218. And then you see this gap right here. I would love for it to start filling this gap area like this. So, and then 228, 230 being on the menu for that. Okay. Did I put a strat on SYK? SYK. Like a straddle, or I don't know what that is. All right, so that's one of them. The other one, I'm still in here on ANY. This one I'm playing commons on because I don't know how long it's going to take. Lots of small caps that have been popping off lately, right? The CEI being pumped, DATS, things like that. So with this one, there's not much attention on it, but I still like the way that it's moving. It's holding this $8. So very well defined breakout spot of this 860, 870 area. And we could get going pretty aggressively on this one if it does break that. So I like that it's making this like kind of, it doesn't, this left side of our cup is kind of, really steep or what have you, but you got like this cup, kind of handle right here, accumulate, and then break of this 870 area right here. Okay. So that's one I'm looking at this week as well. And that's it. Yeah. Oh, I have coin 300s too. I just seen right here. I have coin 300s. And all right. So there's like, have you guys been keeping up with meme stocks? So like AMC, GameStop, stuff like that. AMC, this is what we talked about on Friday here in our chat, is that I wanted to close over $40. Now it showed really bullish here on Friday, and then gave up all the all its gains, pretty much round trip type type deal. Oh no, actually it closed high, and then after hours it went down a little bit more. But I love that it held $40 right here. So this is the point where bulls are gonna step in here. This neckline right here, right? Go ahead and start holding this and pushing this for 45. What is a meme stock? So the ones that they make memes of, like the Planet of the Apes. The apes are back in town. Stuff like that. And GameStop, BlackBerry. Um, what are the other ones? CLOV. All those. Selfie. Oh, I haven't looked at that. Cool. Sophie's over here. This one's pretty nice too. This one's probably gonna handle. So you see this cup kind of handle against this 20 and then break this 20 and then continue going up. So this is a nice setup as far as right now. It is a nice setup, but we need some more accumulation right here. It may take a couple days. NAKD, who the heck is playing NAKD, bro? Bro, this is a OTC stock now, right? All right. So this one, bro, I don't really see anything with it, bro. To be honest, I don't know. Here in the weekly, like it's kind of ranging. It's showing compression right here, but I don't play anything less than $1. So let's see. MP said CRTX support at 35. I don't know what ticker this is. CRTX. Yeah, so gap fill right here, right? So pretty much, yes, I would expect us to start putting on, kind of a bounce here towards the 60-59 area. And it's probably going to chop before it makes a decision whether it's going to go lower or back up again. But this isn't a ticker that I necessarily see value in, that I'm rushing to the bank to put all my money in or anything. So it had this nice drop right here. I don't know if there was news or what have you, but with that drop, now you need, yeah, unless your trade plan is that drop and then you're waiting for like a bear flag or something to get back in for continuation. But not Corteximy. I don't know what that is, bro. Wish. You guys love the PL. You guys love the meme stocks, or the small little ones, right? So like these are, so like you have like Zach and all those guys that are pumping this Wish and stuff, and that say that it is just resting and it's going to continue going up. Now here in this area, right? So it looks like it kind of found a bottom right here towards this 466. This will be interesting if it starts putting in compression against this area and starts running back up here in this to the upside. So maybe not necessarily, maybe good to keep on watch, but not necessarily something that is set up to trade this week. PLTR. This one, dude, I love this PLTR, bro. Like on the longer time frame on what it's doing, just kind of going sideways. Eventually, we're gonna get a really nice big breakout on this. I believe Kathy Wood is still in this as well. So I'm waiting on it. $5 puts credit on 2 mil on Friday on CRTX. Oh, I see. Okay. So yeah, so this PLTR definitely kind of putting in the bottoming right here, the 23, and then for if anything, it's starting to look like more like a ascending triangle, right? You guys see this right here where it's making these higher lows, and then so it looks like it'll come back up here and test, maybe one more time, one more low, and then break this 30 area, and then there's a gap right here in that price action. So this is a longer term play though. I would not be looking at playing this week. Cool. Was there any other ones that I'm forgetting, dude? Lots of people looking at Roku this week. I don't know when they have earnings, but they tend to start getting a couple nice little runs towards earnings. They did break this downward trend right here, upside, now kind of going sideways. So there was compression right here. There is resistance right here at this 333 area, but if it could start breaking that, that would be nice. SYK Striker. What kind of company is this? Semiconductor. Cool. So that this dude, like, I don't know. So I don't know. I could see right here. It looks like I already put a line right here for this support area for it to break, and it did do it on Friday. So yeah, it's right there at the resistance. So the plan would be hopefully a gap up for tomorrow. If we get a gap up, dip and rip it, continuation, right? So that would be the way that I look at this. And then semiconductors are pretty hot right now, dude. Nvidia was running pretty aggressively as well. AMD as well. So AMD was you were saying was set up really nice, right? See, yeah, AMD right here out of this channel. So now getting up here towards this upper resistance of 112. If it could break that 112, it would get going too. If you're gonna post tickers in the chat, then I need your analysis of them. I'm not here. I'm not here just to be a puppeteer and just go over tickers. 112. So if you're gonna list tickers, tell me why you think you see value in those tickers, and then I'll evaluate it. I'm not here to spoon feed you, but I will help you out. QS was really good, dude. One of my guys in the room is playing this. Use it. All right. GE Ford is doing pretty good with all the EV stuff here, guys. So looking pretty nice. And then GE. I don't know why we're talking. Oh, this GE. Yeah, this GE is pretty nice, dude. Kind of. I think a few people have been calling this here for a little bit because of this. This move right here. So I would want to do the crate to the upside. DKNG. Yeah. Again, guys, if you guys are going to list a ticker, tell me why you see value in it. And I'm happy to go ahead and go over and analyze it. But if you're just going to list off tickers, dude, you get nothing out of me telling you my opinion out of it. You know what I mean? I need you guys to know where, what your trade thesis is on this, and then I could help you out with it. Can I see it real quick, hon? Gracias. Huh? Say de nada. De nada. All right, so I had a list of tickers here on my phone for the week. I just wanted to double check. Here, babe. There you go. There you go. Just like how Face Mana team said. So, um, FCEL. Yeah. So, all the what do you call it, dude? All the energy stocks are definitely waking up. Energy definitely hot right now, dude. I do see what you're talking about. This base right here. So absolutely, bro. I agree with you 100%. Over $8, I like this. And then even if you want to start a position a little bit earlier, absolutely you can start that position a little bit earlier, and be a little bit sooner. So, um, but yeah, I definitely do like this one. I'm gonna put it on my watch right here. Oh yeah, the plug is one with Wall Street bets. Thank you, brother. See you, dude. Yeah, this plug is looking pretty nice here, especially with the action from this previous week. But there's definitely some shorts in here and resistance. So this looks like this is actually what we call our crossover play. So crossover the point of resistance, come back retest, and then continuation to the upside. Maybe a swing monthly option watching for day trade. Yeah, absolutely, dude. Absolutely. If you're talking about the FCEL, absolutely. So smaller position monthly if you're doing options. MELI. Oh, I see what you're saying. So this is starting to look like just like a big bear flag though. So like if you come over here, so downwards, and then if it starts bear flagging here to the side, um, this could continue going further down because of all this volume that was done right here. There is room down here for it to continue coming down. Does it make sense? So you get down here, you break this support area, this continues down. Another one that I wanted to show you guys real quick. This is one that I played last week, and it's not nearly quite there yet. But if we get a little bit of a pop up, I was playing this FUTU. It's a Chinese company. They got some negative news here, and obviously you can see right here where this was support, right here at $80, support, right? And then we have this volume gap area that I'm trying to get it to fade at least to 55. So 55, 51 being the target, and this has been a really great one here over the last couple days. Nice little fader on that one. So that's how you want to play those volume gaps right here. So if you use volume profile, I have my own little indicator set up for my volume profile, and you can see that we have this volume gap here in this area that we need to come fill. That the price action is going to want to come down and validate. Okay. Any other tickers? Anything else, guys? Ooh, yes, NET. Yes, NET. So you could put NET. This one is just so far extended though here, guys. So NET, I would just stay away from the way that this is moved up. And then this goes with the AFRM, right? And then also like UPST. So um, I'm not really looking at trading any of these until they come back. Until they come back and put in a more solid support and then continue going up. I think there's better value in other tickers. Cool. Yeah, exactly. That would be dope. 350 would be cool too. UPLICY. All right. Recycle lithium. Is this a lithium ticker? Lithium ticker. Yeah, this looks pretty good, dude. This looks like a big cup handle right here, compression right here on this side, right? Starting to try to get. It's really, really tight, trying to curl back up. I do like this one, bro. Lithium recycling. Yeah, this one's a good one. I'll keep this one on watch right here, bro. LCID. Oh yeah, this one's a long one. Yeah, dude, this one I would love for this one to break out. So it being such a small price ticker, I would love for everyone to chase this. All right, cool. I think I'm gonna head out, guys. I haven't eaten since this morning. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. I'm trying to be more consistent as far as doing the live streams and not leaving you hanging and what have you. I did change my member meetings till Friday, so it makes me gives me a little bit more time to be prepared for these and stuff like that. Liar. Oh man, Steven, I love you. All right, dude. Um, any last minute questions or anything, guys? One last thing. So um, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of if you want to take it as a hard sell or whatever. Um, if you guys want to sign up for the membership, like I said, it's $299. We aren't doing the monthly, annual, whatever anymore. Just one time fee. You're a member. You learn everything we have. You have the indicators and everything. The value that you get on the very first day of everything is just tremendous. So, actually, this weekend I was doing 249, so even $50 off the 299. If you send me a message via email, DM on Twitter, I'll give you a link because we're changing from Stripe as well. So we're doing 249 right now. If you want to do if you want to sign up for us, okay, with us, I should say. Um, all right. Yeah, limited access to me too, bro. That's what I tell my guys. You could message me. I could be balls deep in Beyonce. I'll send you a message back. So, absolutely, bro. And a lot of my guys, they take advantage of it, man. I think I'm actually going to start making like a Calendly for them to schedule actual time. But I do personal calls with with some of my guys. There's a few of them that were having a hard time in September. We got them back on track. I give them a call. We analyzed everything, and they're doing well now. So I do try to make time. If you're gonna put in the effort, if you're gonna put in the time and effort, I'm gonna put as much time and effort into it as you are. So if I can see that you're trying and you're studying, you're doing everything, why would I deny you time with me or like a call with me or anything like that? That's just silly. You know what I mean? I will make time for you if you make time for the right stuff as well. So cool. Any other questions before I take off, guys? Bro, you almost got shot. All right, guys. I'm gonna take off. You guys have a great evening. We'll see you guys on Wednesday. If you guys want to come on Wednesday for Hump Day Hangout, we will do that during Power Hour. And then I'm gonna do more lives. We're gonna just figure out a better schedule, and then we will also have a Sunday Stockcast also next week, same time, same place like this. All right.